Yeah. What's this?
Bug.
Bug. What's this?
Plane.
Bird. Lobster. Skunk. Snake. Monkey. Rhinoceros. Elephant. There's the whale. There's his tail. The end. Okay. Where is there? Squirrel. He's everywhere. He's at the door to find out who has come to visit. It's Baby Hannah. He's making sandwiches with Tutter, jam with crunchy peanut butter. Pip and Pop say ooh la la when Bear starts dancing, cha cha cha. Bear plays in the hall while Shadow dances on the wall. Where is Bear? He's in his chair. He loves to read and take a look at pictures in his nature book. Feathers float and fill the air when he throws them everywhere. Bear helps the otters in the tub to get a double bubble scrub. He stretches outside in the sun, ready for his morning run. Where is Bear? He's here and there. He imagines when he swings, the swing turns into lots of things. A boat to sail, a racing car, a spaceship flying to a star. Bear loves the attic and his trunk that's filled with lots and lots of things. The end. What's this one?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you broke this one too. What's this book? What's this color? Black. What's this color? What's this color?
Purple.
Purple. What's this color?
Oh.
Yellow. What's this color? Blue.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you broke it. It's broken. The end.
Mama, this
Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. Hop, puff, pup is up. Pup in cup, house on mouse. We all are tall, we all are small. We all play ball, up on a wall.
You play ball?
We all fall, fall off the wall.
Play your ball?
We play all day, we fight all night. He is after me, Jim is after him. We see a bee, now we see how many?
1, 2, 3, 6, 8.
Fish in a big hat. They call him Pat. A hat. Sat on a cat. No, Pat, no, don't sit on that. Ouch. Dad is sad, very, very sad. He had a bad day. What a day Dad had. What is that thing? That thing can sing a long, long song. Goodbye, thing, you sing too long. Mr. Brown is upside down. Puff up, Brown down. Mr. Brown is out of town. Brown came back with Mr. Black. What are they doing?
The milk cup.
And milk in a cup. What else?
And a meat.
Sandwich and bananas.
And beef.